Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 5 easy and inexpensive DIYs. My first DIY is this beautiful vase. I will be recycling this wine bottle and I will be using the flowers from this Dollar Tree wall sticker. I'm going to start by removing the labels, the front and the back. I am going to also remove the lid and I'm leaving the red plastic that the neck has, and then I'm going to spray paint it using this metallic gold. Once it's dry, I'm going to remove the red plastic. I will be cutting out the flower part out of this sticker, and I'm going to save the other piece because I'm going to use it in the next DIY. But for now, I'm just going to add the flowers to the bottle. And that is it for this floral base. You can use it plain like that, just as a decoration, or you can add some greenery. I absolutely love how this turned out. It looks so elegant. For my second DIY, I did this sign. And I will be reusing actually this sign that I used in one of my previous DIYs. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's a Valentine's sign. And I'm going to use the other half of the wall sticker that I used in my first DIY. I'm going to start by painting the back of the sign white, and then I will be removing the love part, or like it's like a sticker. I removed all that and then painted that white as well, and I'm using my apple barrel acrylic paint. You don't have to paint both sides white. I just decided to do that, but you don't have to. All you need to do is just paint the back of the sign white. Next, I will be adding the other part of the sticker to this sign. I also glued a small rose to the corner of the sign. And that is it. This was so easy and inexpensive to make. My third DIY can be used as a centerpiece for any party, or you can use this as a wall hanging decoration. For this DIY, I used part of the Dollar Tree wreath. I removed the small circle with the pliers. I then cut the circle in the middle and paint it with white, because the metallic gold spray paint looks so much better over white. For the bowl, I will be recycling a cereal container and I spray paint it with the same metallic gold. I made a hole on each side with a hole puncher. I will be putting the ring through the holes, but in order for it to stay standing up, I will be using some floral foam I got from Dollar Tree. I'm only using a small little piece. I'm going to glue it inside the bowl, then I'm going to add some pebbles inside. I first thought it was gonna stay with just the styrofoam, so I put it in and then I started to decorate it, but then it fell. So I had to add some hot glue in order for it to stay in there. I will be decorating it with some Spanish moss and these roses. These are little bushes I got from Walmart a while back. And that is it. You can use this as a centerpiece for any party occasion, or you can use it as a wall decor. My fourth DIY is this beautiful candle holder. This can also be used as a party centerpiece or as a home decor. For this DIY, I will be using this decor I got from Dollar Tree. It had a cat paw or a dog one. I'm not sure what animal it was. I think dog. I don't know. But I just removed it and then I paint the inside white using that apple barrel acrylic paint. Once it was dry, I added some of that Spanish moss. Now that I think about it, you don't have to paint the inside white. You won't be able to see it with the Spanish moss. Then I added the candle inside. To decorate the rest, I will be using some of them roses I got from Walmart. And that is it. I absolutely love how this turned out. You can use it so many different ways. My last DIY was so easy and simple to do. For this DIY, I will be using an old picture frame, but any Dollar Tree picture frames will work. I'm also using this paper I got from Michael's, and I removed the back and spray paint it using the same spray paint I used in my previous DIYs. I'm going to cut the paper to the size of the picture frame, and that is it. I'm just gonna put the paper inside the frame and put the glass back on. And that is it for this DIY. You can use it as a decor or you can use it for a party table number. You can also use it as a tray and add some candles. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye.